Hello, I'm going to be answering Waec 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 55 under Test of Orals, Section 7. The instruction is, from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that contains the sound represented by the given phonetic symbol. The sound given to us is long R sound. So option A is pack, B heart, C surrender, D alone. So I'm going to transcribe each of the options given to us, and then we will pick out our answer from the one that contains the sound. So pack, option A, is transcribed this way. We have short R sound. Option B is heart, transcribed this way. Option C is surrender. And option D is alone. Alone. So from what we have here, heart has the long R sound and is the sound that was given to us. So the correct answer is B, heart. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more past questions and answers, and also for more videos. Thank you.